My name's Jose Arellano. I've been with County Materials for close to 4 years now, and I'm a quality control technician. Typical day involves coordinating with my team and our production team to produce beams. There's a lot to be done, there's a lot of work, and there's a lot involved in what we do, but I do find it quite rewarding, and I've got an amazing team to work with. Working here, there's many different hazards to have to keep out for, from chip hazards to slip hazards, sharp things, hard things. I can't tell you how many times I've bumped my head, and I've been so thankful that I've had this hard hat on. And one of my standards has always been is making sure my guys leave the same way that they showed up to work, fully intact, all fingers, all limbs. That's essential. It's a daily goal. I think my favorite part of working here is everybody gets along so well, and it's such a unique job dynamic. This is the only place I've ever been, a job site where we use please and thank you and can I get a favor. So, out of the norm and not very typical. So I feel very lucky, very fortunate.